channel by the name Yatri. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for the PNP, or if anyone has received notification of interest from Government of Canada, you can follow these steps for applying PNP. I will share you this link in my description so that you can register and apply through this process. So there are three sections here. If you are already registered in the Oinp, you can use the returning user and login from here. If you are a new applicant and wants to register, you can select here. In this there are three categories: job offer, human capital and business. If you have job offer letter from the company who is providing you the PNP, you can select in these three streams which you are eligible. If you have received the notification of interest from Canada, you can apply in these 5 streams. And if you are doing any business in Canada, you can apply in this entrepreneur stream. So now we got the notification of interest, so we will select skill trade stream. Yes. Now it asks for the last name, first name, date of birth which appears on your passport. So after filling the last name, first name and date of birth in the previous section, so you will be directed on this page where they will ask for the one key ID. If you have this ID, you can continue signing in. If you don't have it, you can sign up now. As you are a new applicant, sign up now. You can choose one key ID of your own. So we got the file number here. Now click on the finish. You will be directed to continue here. So in this, click on the file number. So these are the steps you need to fill. So this number can be found on your CEC messages, and you can find the code also over there. In the section of intention to reside in Ontario, provide all the details of your work like part-time job, full-time job, education in Ontario. If you have done any volunteer work, provide that one. If you have any lease agreement with your current residents, provide that one too. I'll show you the list. So this all you can list over here. In the required documents, we need to upload the notification of interest from Ontario, and it says a note, please ensure that you capture the date that the NOI was sent to your account. Upload notification of interest, comment. You can comment here the date which you have received the notification of interest. Choose file to upload. The photograph, provide a copy of photograph yourself, that means passport or visa requirement. This should be the requirement for the photograph. Upload photograph, choose file. In the passport, provide all the details page of your passport and all the pages that contain Canada visa and entry stamps. So upload the file, select passport, choose the file to upload here. If you have any dependent member, you can use this to upload their passport. Status documents issued by IRCC or CBSA, so it is mandatory. So what documents can you upload here? The documents may include work permits, study permits, temporary resident visas, and or any other Canadian immigration document. So you can upload here. Select work permit, upload the file of work permit, and then again upload the study permit here. If you have the study permit, choose a file to upload the study permit. Upload. If you have temporary resident visa, choose a file to upload here. Now upload the language test. I'll choose file to upload. So in the section of work history, provide 1 year of experience in Ontario in an eligible NOCB occupation the last 2 years. So in this section, upload your resume, upload your employment reference letter, upload employment or work contracts, notice of assessment statements if you have any. You can upload pay slips or pay stubs if you have any of those, and upload T4 statement of remuneration paid. Upload the documents one by one by choosing the document type here and choose the file related to those. So in this trade certification, it's not mandatory, but if it is applicable, you can submit the documents. It says that valid certificate or license is required for you to work in that particular job. You can provide the certification. In the settlement funds, you can show your bank statements, or you can provide your current job offer letter, copies of your most recent bank statements showing the last 3 months of your activity, and you can also provide the employment contract letter, current job, and your 2 most recent pay slips. Go to upload and upload here. Choose a file related to those documents. Resume, provide your current and past work experience, education history, and the resume should detail your duties and responsibility of your jobs, what you have done. So go to upload, resume, choose a file related to the resume. So this is intention to reside in Ontario is optional. You can upload the documents if you have any, and if you have other documents to support your clarification, you can upload here. this page, if you have any spouse or dependent child, you can write down their name here, full name. As I'm a single, I don't have anything, so go to the summary section. If you have any errors in the document or any of your application, it will show up here. And if you have any educational credential assessment, you can provide the reference number. If you have any VAS, check mark all this and write your full name, date, and after this there will be a next tab. It will direct it to the payment option. Pay the PNP application fees, that is 1500. You can use Visa, MasterCard or online transaction to pay the fees.
So guys, this is the procedure for applying the PNP application, or if anyone has received the notification of interest from Government of Canada, you can follow these steps. I hope this video will help you as a reference in submitting your file. Okay, then I'll meet you again in my next video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like and share your feedback in the comment section. Till then, be safe, spread humanity and grow this channel.